This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying prerequisites so nothing blocks voice control. Check your Android version and update the Google app now. Outdated apps cause most failures. Once updated, go to Settings and grant microphone permission to Google and voice access. Then enable voice access in Accessibility or activate Google Assistant in the Google app settings. Doing these steps first removes permission and compatibility problems and prepares your device for the more technical fixes that follow. Once done with permissions, calibrate recognition to improve accuracy. Teach voice match and assistant settings so the model adapts to your speech. This reduces false negatives. If recognition still stumbles, clear cache and, if needed, app data for the Google app to reset corrupted models. Make sure to back up any preferences. Then explicitly set Google as the default assistant and verify language and input settings match your spoken dialect. These steps align software models and system defaults. To finish, reboot the phone so system services restart and new permissions take effect. Then test core commands both offline and online to rule out network impact. If problems persist, reinstall the Google app or voice access to restore missing components. Finally, if voice control still fails, boot into safe mode to identify conflicting apps like mic enhancers or VPNs. Disable them and retest. This final troubleshooting step catches app conflicts that commonly break voice control and gives you a clear path to.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.